So for the longest time, all eyes were on the DJI Pocket 4 series. That's where the noise was. That's what everyone, including us, was tracking. And then out of nowhere, DJI Osmo 360 Mark II quietly pops up in certification listings. Yeah, that was not on the bingo card. What really caught attention is where it showed up. The Osmo 360 II has now appeared on the Federal Communications Commission, with registration dating back to December 9th, 2025, as reported by the new camera. That timing matters. Initially, I thought DJI might have rushed this through the FCC to get ahead of a potential ban and secure certification before the covered list was announced. It could be, but looking at the timing more closely, it doesn't really seem like that's what happened. If anything, it feels like this camera's been sitting in the pipeline for a while, just waiting its turn. That said, it does leave a few things open-ended. The original Osmo 360 has only been around for a couple of months, so seeing an Osmo 360 II already raises a big question. Are we looking at a proper next-gen sequel, or is this more of a quiet tune-up pretending to be a second version? Thankfully, we do have a few clues from SGS certification, which gives us a rough idea of what DJI is actually doing here. The most noticeable upgrade right now is the battery. The Osmo 360 Mark II is listed with a roughly 2,150 milliamp hour battery compared to the original's 1,950 milliamp hour. That's about a 10% bump. Nothing wild, but enough to suggest slightly better runtime. Connectivity-wise, things look familiar. It's sticking with Bluetooth Low Energy 5.1 and Wi-Fi 6. Sure, there are newer standards out there, but this tells us DJI isn't trying to reinvent the wheel here. They're keeping what already works, and that's kind of the theme so far. There's no mention of a new sensor, no resolution jump beyond 8K, no higher frame rates, no flashy new HDR or log profiles showing up in the filings. Based purely on what we know right now, this really feels more like a light refresh than a full-blown sequel. But here's a subtle detail that actually matters a lot. The Osmo 360 Mark II is listed as a production unit, not a prototype or an engineering sample. That usually means the hardware is finalized. These aren't test changes or last-minute experiments. The battery size, the wireless setup, those decisions are already locked in. Which also tells us this camera wasn't rushed together after the first Osmo 360 dropped. It's been in development for a while. Testing reportedly wrapped up around November 2025, with final paperwork landing in early December. If DJI sticks to its usual playbook, that points to a launch window a few months later. Realistically, that puts the Osmo 360 II somewhere in Q2 2026. So yeah, it's kind of wild. A Mark II version potentially landing less than a year after the original Osmo 360, which launched back in July 2025, definitely fast by DJI standards. One thing worth keeping in mind is availability. If DJI's recent RS5 launch is anything to go by, there's a chance the Osmo 360 Mark II may not be available in the US right away, even if it officially launches. So for now, this looks more like a strategic refresh than a major leap forward. A slightly bigger battery, finalized hardware, and a product that's clearly been in development longer than most of us expected. The bigger question is whether DJI is simply refining the lineup here or laying the groundwork for something more substantial later on. If you want to stay on top of how this unfolds, make sure you're subscribed. Catch you in the next one. Peace.